This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Therese DeLuca. Beautiful 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bath home in the Isles of Collier Preserve where coastal, Florida ambience abounds. Experience the open floor plan that leads out to the huge extended lanai. The southern exposure, with river and preserve view, offers relaxation and privacy. The community has great amenities with a stunning resort-style pool, lap pool, the Overlook Bar and Grill, tennis and pickleball courts, dog park and a social director just to name a few. There are plenty of nature trails and an abundance of wildlife. Kayaks are available to paddle to the Gulf of Mexico. Only 4 miles to Naples' famed 5th Avenue and the beach, this is the community everyone wants to be in. For more information, review the details below.